When you have wife and kids, you can't be extra bucks. It took me years and tears to understand this. We're gonna get there.
Yeah. So over there, if somebody woke up a few minutes late, that's a
few
reason
minutes, a sec. When I'm saying a second, I mean a second.
Wow.
If you went out 5 a.m. and a second, you kicked out.
Really? A few seconds before is fine.
Yeah, if you get done with 1 second, you're out of the game. They didn't tell us what it's all about in the beginning. 75-mile walk. You can walk 75 miles in 20 hours. Walking, doing crazy things. The point was, if you feel, you break. If you work like a robot, you go through. The more the time went, the more the training become more difficult, more professional.
And less people.
And after 9 months, they told us already what's the idea of the unit. Get these guys like Arabs, go into the West Bank and eliminate killers in their beds or in their house without them knowing that the soldiers are here.
So you're supposed to learn Arabic too.
You're supposed to learn Arabic and it's not being a spy. It's going in, doing the work, coming out, eliminating.